What's up, guys? Your boy M Easy here. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. If you guys watched my last video, then you heard me talk about Jay's girlfriend getting me in the face with shaving cream. Well, if you read my post on Facebook, then you all know that I'm staying with Jay now, so now is our opportunity to get her back. I'm not going to record the whole process of what I'm doing. Just stay tuned. It starts now. Guys, watch what happens when you put baking soda inside of ketchup and shake it up. Alright guys, I gotta hide the camera quick and then we're gonna make some sandwiches. Let's get them. You want ketchup, Misty?
Yeah.
There. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Look at my hair.
Oh my god!
Look at my hair.
Holy fuck! Yo, it's all over the camera.
Got it!
Got him! Holy fuck, though.
This is disgusting.
Yo!
Yeah.
Look here. Oh!
Bro.
Holy fuck, though. That is what happens, guys,
Now we have to clean all this
when
up.
you put baking soda in ketchup, apparently.
See?
Yeah, we need to get it off now before it dries.
Yeah.
Dude, that shit went
Yeah,
everywhere.
that exploded. Oh no.
I ain't even worried about my hair right now. I'm more worried about the fucking ceiling.
Yo. Let me see
Here,
this.
no, here, wet towel.
Fuck.
Do not let your mom see this video.
Yeah, Mom, you're watching this. I'm sorry.
This is so gross.
But, it had to happen. How do you feel, Misty?
Pretty gross right now. It's all in my hair.
Turn around. Oh my, look at that.
It's like, it feels kind of like mayonnaise.
It looks kind of like mayonnaise.
It does, it feels like mayonnaise.
So,
Oops.
there, we got her.
That's what happens when you,
Look at the
But
bottle.
fuck, man, that's what happens when you
fuck with the prank
master.
master.
Ew, look at it.
Yeah. See, we keep it real around here. Believe that.
Watch your shoes.
Maybe my dog will help clean it up, but I doubt it. Come on, Marshall.
Bro,
Get
it's
to
all
work.
over the fucking window.
You're a good sport, Misty. Oh, and she got me with ketchup on my face or water or something.
It was ketchup.
Great. The aftermath.
Guys,
It's all over the whole kitchen.
Can you
look at
take
this
that
shit.
thing out of there and let me.
What do you think, Jay?
I think. Oh, shit. Really? You know what? What do I think? What do I think?
No.
You gotta watch something, brother.
Wait.
Give me that camera.
Let me get you.
Oh.
We all got. Oh, fuck, man. That's in my ear, dude. Like, fuck.
Oh shit.
So God.
That shit was funny though. Better clean this fuck up.
I feel like slapping the shit out of you with this.
Oh, did you just fart?
I wish I would've.
Oh man.
Fuck, man, I can't even hear right. I got a massive amount of ketchup in my ear right now.
It looks like you're a zombie. It looks like you got your ear.
Mars, you want to lick something? Here. Here, lay my ear. Yeah, there you go. No, you don't even want none. In my motherfucking ear. Feel like a cotton ball of fucking ketchup.
Oh, I just went to the store and got your mom
Q-tips? Yeah, I know. I'm gonna need them. I'm just saying.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that video as much as we did. Well, actually, the aftermath was kind of nuts. We all had to get showers and everything.
I'm not expecting all that, but...
Don't ask how, but there's literally ketchup on the wall in the bathroom and it just went everywhere. Misty, what happens when you fuck with the prank master?
You hit it twice as hard.
Oh shit. Guys, I didn't expect it to be like that though. But
I don't think anybody did. Well, any of us.
as I'm sure you guys know, I've just been going through some issues, some personal issues. That's why I haven't uploaded the past 2 days, but there's no more of that now. Me and Jay are staying together, so the prank wars are gonna begin.
It's on.
But I appreciate every single one of you guys, and we can't express, you know, how it feels that you guys take the time to watch our videos. We love every single one of you guys.
Absolutely. You all gotta subscribe to the channel. Follow us. I mean, yo, you're gonna love it. We got more for you, and it's just gonna get better and bigger. All day, every day.
Other than that, it's been your boy M-Easy.
J-Rock.
Be easy, guys, and stay safe.
One love.